Welcome to the garden of God's glory. Not much growing here, not much green here right now. But you know, it's still a sight to behold. It's still beautiful. It's just not what you think of a garden. This is the season of our life where we remember God's blessings. We recount all of His promises, and then in light of who He is and what He says He's going to do in your garden, then you can rejoice, because my goodness, who are you praying to? Who are you meditating on? Who are you focusing on? You're lifting your eyes to the hills for where your help comes from, and thank goodness it isn't from your garden. Thank goodness it comes from somebody that's got more power and more control over things such as the weather. So, welcome to the garden of God's glory. Sandy, are you gonna just stay there and playing with that stick in the middle of a blizzard? You rascal. Sandy girl. Sandy, what are you doing? All right. God bless.